Me and my bestest buddy Marcus want to thank the Funky Monkey Coffee Company from the bottom of our heart.
I think the Funky Monkey Coffee Company beats any establishment in Stockport, Heather.
I'd say it's the best cafe experience in all of Manchester, Marcus, not just Stockport.
Heather, I'm so grateful you brought along your Super Saver Passport to get a discount. If it wasn't for that Super Saver Passport coupon, I'd never have discovered this wonderful place.
No problem, Marcus.
Coffee, I need coffee.